Okay, for the practice exam activity, as you know, I prefer to create routines in our classroom because I think we perform better whenever we have routines and things that we do over and over and over again. And when it comes time to take an exam, one of the routines that I have is the day before we take a practice exam. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open the practice exam here in Schoology, and I'm going to ask you to put the practice exam inside of Notability. Now, you are going to see that on the practice exam, there are 18 questions that we are going to be answering, and they're all fill in the blank. The difference between the practice exam and the final or the regular exam is the regular exam will be multiple choice and matching. Now, the way that I want you to attack this is I want you to read through all of the questions here, all 18 of them. If you are 90% sure of the answer, I want you to immediately write the answer in the space that's provided. If you're not 90% sure that you know the correct answer, I would like you to skip that question. Don't put anything on the blank just yet. Instead, I want you to put a star next to the number of that question. Once you've gone through and you've read all 18 questions and you've answered all of the questions that you are 90% sure of, then I want you to go back and I want you to look at the questions that you put stars next to. And I want you to see if you can't find the answers to those questions either from our textbook or from your notes or from the other worksheets we've done in class. All right? So you're going to go back over the questions a second time, and the second time you're going to use your notes in the textbook and things like that in order to find the answers. Now, once you've gone through the second time and you've found all the answers that you can find, then I'm going to have you go back into Schoology and you'll see that there is a video in Schoology that says the Module 1 Practice Exam Answer Key. Go ahead and watch that video and I will go through each question and tell you the answer to the questions. Now, this can be a very valuable tool if you follow the procedures that I just discussed or that I have outlined in the directions. If you don't follow those procedures, this is going to be less valuable for you as a study tool. Okay? When we put the stars next to the answers that we don't know, what we're doing is we're identifying the things that we need to study tonight so that we're more prepared for the exam tomorrow. So please make sure you follow the directions just as I explained them here in the video and in the assignment.